Alright, so I noticed that little line, which is annoying, should annoy you too. It's right there. Couple things. So I'm on this bar here. Let's just make that a little bigger. I'm going to make that height 64. I'm going to go to my different mode and just make sure those match for posterity. And then I'm just going to go to those instances. Just check the XY coordinates and make sure that they make sense. And I'm just gonna. I'll need to reset this variable so it maintains that height. And then I'm just gonna put like a 4 pixel overlap here, and that should get rid of that weird little line. Vectors will sometimes do that. Whoop, whoop. All right, that's pretty sweet. And then we can look at light mode, dark mode. Should be very exciting. Show your grandparents that. They'll be like, amazing. Not sure what that is about. Let's look. Light. Oh, it was. I haven't re-established that on that side. So in mine, it looks like it's cached the original shape, so it's not picking up that change. So the general fix is to kind of manipulate some objects until it starts to pick it up. If that doesn't work, worst comes to worst, you just reboot Figma, and that generally resolves. So I'm not quite sure why that wasn't switching correctly. But if you look in preview mode, it's correct. So likely we reboot this and it'll fix. I'll go ahead and do that and see. Alright, I rebooted and it did reconcile that. This uses web technology, and so it just cached and remembered that old box in there. It was having trouble rebooting or reloading that. Okay, so fix that little line. Fix that. Next, we'll do a little menu item and call it a day in terms of tutorializing